Hello guys, today we will learn about attribute control charts. So let's get started. Attribute charts are part of probability based charts. These charts uses attribute data like yes, no, pass fail, okay, ng, etc. These control charts uses categorical data and the probability related to the categories to identify the presence of special causes. The analysis of categorical data by these charts generally utilize the binomial or Poisson distribution. There are four types of attribute charts: C chart, N chart, NP chart, and U chart. The choice of charts depend upon whether you have a problem with defect or defectives and whether you have a fixed or varying sample size. Now let's move to find the 8 difference between various attribute control charts and how various charts are different from each other. Okay, first difference is data type. All charts uses attribute data. Second difference is symbol, where P is proportion, NP is number proportion, C indicates count and U indicates units. Third difference is type of distribution, where P and NP uses binomial distribution and C and U chart uses Poisson distribution. Fourth difference is the size of subgroup, where P and U chart uses varying subgroup size and NP and C chart uses constant subgroup size. Fifth difference is data display form. P and U chart shows in percentage, where NP and C chart shows data in raw count. Sixth difference is the control limit. As you see in the screen, each chart have different average lines, so the control limits are also different. Now the next difference is purpose. The P chart is for the fraction of defective items in a sample, where the NP chart is for the number of defective items in a sample. The C chart is for the number of defects in an item. The U chart is for the percentage of defect in a sample. Next is definition or define. P chart, the fraction defective is the number of defective items in a sample divided by the total number of its item in a sample, where NP chart shows the number of defective item in a sample rather than the fraction of defective items. And in C chart, it is a plot of number of defects in an item, and in U chart, it is for the percentage of defect in a sample. Thanks for watching my video.